In front of you there are two sentences. First one, there are 1000 chocolates to distribute in birthday party, and second one, post the letter. How many students are able to change these sentences from active to passive voice? Such sentences we are going to study today. Today in this video we are going to study about active and passive voice. In my previous video already we have discussed about tense, modal verbs and let sentences. Who have not seen my previous video, just you watch the previous video of tense and modal verbs and let sentences. In this video we are going to study about imperative sentences and infinitive sentences. In imperative sentences, we will use this formula, while from changing from active to passive voice, let plus object plus be plus verb third form. If sentences are containing request, advice or order in active voice, then we will use you are requested, you are ordered, you are advised in passive voice. Now we will start from first sentence. Close the door. Here is our formula. We have to follow this formula while from changing from active to passive voice. Our passive voice will come. Let the door be closed. Here according to that formula, first of all we have to write down here let, then object is the door, then we have to write down we, then verb third form is here were closed. Now we will see the second sentence. Post the letter. Here is our formula. We will change from active to passive voice with the help of this formula. Our passive voice will come. Let the letter be posted. First of all we will use here let, then object is the letter, then afterward we, then verb third form here posted. So our passive voice will come. Let the letter be posted. Now we will see the next sentence. Please sit down. Already I told you, if in the active voice request, advise or order will come, then in the passive voice we will use you are requested, you are ordered, you are advised. And our passive voice will come, you are requested to sit down. Now we will see next sentence. Finish it. We will follow this formula, then we will change from active to passive voice. So our passive will come. Let it be finished. By seeing this formula, first of all we will use let, then object is it, then be, then verb third form finish. So our passive voice will come. Let it be finished. Now we will see next sentence. Meet me tomorrow. Here is a formula. And we will try to change from active to passive voice by seeing this formula. Now the passive voice will come. Let me be met tomorrow. First of all we will use here let, then object is me, then we, then here meet third form that met will come, then here tomorrow. So our passive voice will come. Let me we met tomorrow. Now we will see the next sentence. Help Sajal's brother. Then we will change according to this formula. Let Sajal's brother we help. First of all we will put let, then here object is Sajal's brother, then afterward be, then here verb third form. So the passive voice will come. Let Sajal's brother be helped. Now we will see next sentence. Repair your mobile. Then we will follow this formula. By seeing this formula we will change from active to passive. So our passive voice will come. Let your mobile be repaired. First of all we will put let, then object is your mobile, then we will use be, then repair is a first form here in active voice, then we will in the passive voice we will use as a third form, then repaired will come, we will put ed, Then our passive voice will come, let your mobile be repaired. Now here we will see next sentence, do it. Then our formula, let plus object plus be plus verb third form. Then here our passive voice will come, let it be done. It means first of all we have to use here let, then object is here it, then we will use it, then we, then do is here in the active voice, do is first form, then do, then we have to use as a third form, done will come. So our passive voice will come, let it be done. Suppose here if there is written in active voice you do it, then how we will change in passive? For that, let we will see in next sentence, then you will better understand. So we will see next sentence, there is written you do it, then our formula is here, let plus object plus be plus verb third form, then our passive voice will come, let it be done by you. Then there is a, according to that formula, there is written let, so we will also write let in the passive voice. Then here object is here it, so we will also write here it. Then afterward we will write be. Then in the active voice there is written do, so we have to write down in passive as a verb third form, so that done will come here, then why, then you. So here our passive voice will come, let it be done by you. Now we will see about infinitive sentences. In infinitive sentences, in passive voice we always use to be plus verb third form. Now we will see the sentence. There are 1000 chocolate to distribute in birthday party. We will follow this formula while changing from active to passive voice. To be plus verb third form, then our passive voice will come. There are 1000 chocolate to be distributed in birthday party. Here in passive voice, after to we will use we, then here after we will use verb third form. Just you see in the sentence of active voice, there are 1000 chocolate. After that to you have to use in passive voice be, then here in the active voice there is written distribute, then here the first form there is used, so afterward in the passive voice you have to use verb third form, that will come distributed. Now we will see the next sentence. There was nothing to do in home. We will follow this formula, to be plus verb third form, then our passive voice will come. There was nothing to be done in home. Just simply you see in the active voice there is written there was nothing, so what you have to do, after the to we have to use in the passive voice be, then here in the active voice there is written do, then you have to use verb third form, in the passive voice will come done. Now we will see the next sentence. He has nothing to worry about. We will follow this formula, to be plus verb third form, then our passive voice will come. He has nothing to be worried about. Simply we will see in active voice of a sentence, he has nothing, then after that to, then in the passive voice we will use, after to we will use we, then here worry, in the active voice there is a worry, first form of the verb, then in the passive voice we will use as a third form, that worried will come. Now we will see the next sentence. He has to teach them every day. We will follow this formula, to be plus verb third form. So our passive voice will come. They have to be taught by her every day. Here that in the active voice of the sentence them is used. So in the passive voice we used as a they, then have, then to be, verb third form taught will come. Then here by her, in the active voice there is written see, so be used as a her here, then every day. So our passive voice will come. They have to be taught by her every day. No need to be worried about that. These are the infinitive sentences. Now we will see the next sentence. She need to clean the room. We will follow this formula, to be plus verb third form, then our passive voice will come. The room to be cleaned by her. In active voice, the room used here, so in the passive voice we will use first of all the room, then to be, then here cleaned as a verb third form, then by her. Then here in the active voice she is written, so here in the passive voice we will use as her. Now we will see the last sentence. Prasansa seems to finish the work by the evening. Then we will follow this formula, to be plus verb third form, then our passive voice will come. The work seems to be finished by prasansa by the evening. In the active voice, the work is used. So in the passive, first of all, we will use the work, then seems to be, then verb third form we will use as here finished, then by prasansa by the evening. And here is some work for you. Change the following sentences from active to passive voice. You have to complete this work. If there is any problem, then comment. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel so you will get latest notification.